Hey champion, I hope you're doing well. I am Nini and I welcome you back to the channel that is less of mine and more of us. In the previous video, we talked about gratitude practice and 10 reasons why it should be a part of your daily life. If you haven't watched that video yet, consider watching it. Today, I am back with another dose of real talk. Look, I know being in your 20s can feel like a roller coaster, figuring out life, career, relationships, the whole thing. There's a lot to do. And in the midst of all of these, it's easier to get caught up in the chase for next big thing, forgetting to appreciate those little things that already exist in your life. This video is going to be a reminder for you to appreciate those little things we often overlook. We think
Everyone has this. What's in it to be grateful for?
But hold on, let me give you a very common example. Did you know that a staggering 828 million people globally don't have enough to eat? Wild, right? If you have a fridge stocked up with food you can literally choose from, be grateful. There are millions who wouldn't even dream of such a luxury. Alright, let's dive into 7 little things in your life that deserve a big thank you. To start with, number 1 is clean water. Think about it. You wake up, turn on the tap, and crystal clear water flows out of it. Magic, isn't it? But for 2.2 billion people out there, clean drinking water is a constant worry. Therefore, appreciate that refreshing glass of water you can easily have. Number 2, a roof over your head. Imagine this. You have worked really hard all day. You are super tired. You want to go back home and lie down on your bed. But you don't have a home. You can't rest. Scary, right? A recent study found that over 150 million people worldwide experience homelessness. So having a roof over your head is not that small deal. It's a massive blessing. Be grateful for that roof. Number 3, clothes. Imagine this. You have to go to your friend's birthday party. You open your cupboard and you have no fancy and stylish clothes to wear at a birthday party. You just have 2 pairs of t-shirts and trousers, one of which you are wearing right now. Terrible situation, isn't it? But hey, you at least have something to wear, something that keeps you covered. According to United Nations, there are millions of people out there who lack access to even the basic clothing. So next time when you complain about having nothing to wear, just remember that some folks genuinely have nothing. Number 4, the ability to laugh. Life throws curveballs, but laughter is the best medicine. Science even shows that it reduces your stress and boosts your mood. So next time when you find yourself cracking up with friends, savor that feeling. There's a power in laughter that we all often overlook. Don't take it for granted. Number 5, your smartphones. Okay. Hear me out before you roll your eyes. Sure, smartphones can be distracting, but let's be honest, they are also an incredibly powerful tools. Think about it. A camera, a library of information, a way to connect with anyone in any part of the world. All of this in palm of your hand. Millions of people globally lack access to this kind of technology even today. So next time you use your phone to learn a recipe or call a loved one or simply capture a special moment, be grateful for its capabilities. Number 6, electricity. You flick a switch and boom, the light fills the room. It might seem ordinary to you, but access to electricity is a game changer. Imagine not being able to charge your devices or sleeping without a fan in a hot summer day. Terrible, isn't it? Over a billion people worldwide lack access to reliable electricity. So next time when you flick the switch and light fills the room, be grateful for that invisible power that makes modern life possible. And the final one, number 7. This might sound cheesy to you, but being alive. I mean, look, life isn't always sunshine and rainbows, but the ability to experience joy, love, friendships, and even challenges, all of this is a part of glorious mess of being alive. So next morning when you open your eyes, say thank you. There were millions of people who went to sleep but never woke up again. Remember, champion, it's easy to get caught up in the quest for more. But taking a moment to appreciate the simplest things in our life, food, water, shelter, clothes, these are the foundations of our life. And hey, if you can breathe in fresh air, laugh out loud, and sleep peacefully, that's something to be truly grateful for. Don't take them for granted. Let me know in the comments what little things in life you are grateful for. If you have any feedback for me or any question for me, drop them in the comments below. See you again in the next video on Thursday, 5:15 p.m. sharp. Until then, remember that you are a champion and worry less, live more.